We arrived in Keelung. Oh my gosh, that view is going to be amazing. Oh my god, that's super beautiful. Wow. Yes. Honey, you can give the umbrella to me. I'll probably burn up into ashes if I don't. I feel like I'm an albino or something in this country because look what I need. If I don't use this, I'll be tomato red later. I have a feeling today will be a really tiring day as well. Yesterday we walked about 16 kilometers. So, more walking ahead. But I'm wearing my new shoes. I'm really happy about them. Shoes in Taiwan are very, very cheap. The view from a top, something, a bunker in Keelung, I don't know how to pronounce it, but look at the view, so pretty. The sun is way too bright. So beautiful here. We're going to try to go down to the sea, and maybe there's a ferry to this this island. It's called Turtle Island or something. And sometimes there's ferries, sometimes there's not. There aren't any. And there's also sometimes dolphins. I can't wait to see them ahead. We're trying to find a way to go down actually, but it doesn't seem like there is any from here. But you can see all those people there on the rocks, right? And down here too, and sitting there, but we have no idea how they got there. Let's find out. Beautiful sea. Maybe they just climbed down. We arrived at the most northern part of Taiwan, and there's Lighthouse, I don't know what this is called, Lighthouse probably, is the thing that marks the tip of Taiwan. Closest to home I would guess then. No swimming. Okay. It's too dangerous with all those rocks anyways. Really pretty. Oh, again stairs, so tiring today. Okay, see you at the top. In the distance there at the shore you can see wind canter. Those are rocks that were erupted during volcanic eruptions like a long time ago, and because of the erosion from sand and the sea and the wind, because there's a lot of monsoons here, they have these really sharp and angular shapes. Probably we'll go there later. Someone's waving at me. Okay, have to hurry. That's the tower over there. We actually couldn't really get in because they're renovating, but they said we could go to the restroom for a little bit, so that's why we're here. Can you see that red mud on the left side? That's probably like something volcanic ash. Yes, because they said here was a volcanic mountain before, and it erupted stones, the stones on the beach. So wasn't in Japan this kind of earth mud to volcanic ash if it's reddish? No? Then I'm probably wrong. Anyways, I'm pretty sure about the stones though. Grey? Now it's back to the car for the next site, where there's probably a beach where we can go to. But first, staircases again. so plans are changed and we're now going to buy our bus tickets already since we don't have time anymore to go to the beach. That's okay. So next stop is Taiwan.
We can bear for chat.
Wow. Not good.
You mean in Singapore? Hi,
Turkey.
very rich.
Hi, Turkey.
From
Hello.
Taiwan.
Hello.
And mainland China.
Hi. Oh, you look like you're a senior, aren't you? Enjoying the water. Yes, right? Really good. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, my toes. Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. Like my cousin's calling us. No, we're going back to Taiwan today. My name is Jay.
Okay, so now we really are going. It was a little bit impromptu stop at the beach and some talking with dogs and funny math. And now we're going to Taichung. So see you next time and thank you. Bye bye.